Hi everyone, this is Krithika and today I'm going to reveal the DT kit I got from Erasmus. First, on the basic need, I got my resin. 2:1 resin and hardener. Next, as everyone else, I got my jute sheet. 2 colors, jute sheet. And yay, I got this puffy heart mold. Thank you, Manisha. Heart mold. And the other one as everyone else. I think this is a shot glass mold, but let me see what I can do with this. And mermaid foil, holographic sheet. Hey, I like the color. And this one is mermaid pigment, purple color. White opaque pigment, teal glow pigment, glow in the dark pigment, some glitters, and neon pigments. So this is what I got from Manisha. So let me see what I can do with this. Thank you.